Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tres Jolie channel and my channel. I am here and I'm going to be working on a layout for this month's sketch, and I've used quite a bit out of this month's scrapbooking kit. Well, out of the papers and the chipboard. I actually have most of the embellishments left, but this is my last whole piece, so it's going to be my background, and then I'll add in whatever from here and there. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna pop the sketch up right now. And that's what I'm going to be working with. I don't know quite yet how I may or may not work with that sketch and maybe tweak it or move things around. We'll see how it goes. But I do have a few ideas of what I'm going to do to the background. And the first thing to do is going to be, hold on, making a workspace. Oh, okay, making a workspace. And then putting some, let me see how I want to do this. I'm putting, actually, let me see. Yeah. Okay, putting clear gesso. I have some clear gesso right here, and I'm going to put it all over this just to get started. With that dry, I am going to kind of stencil in the areas that I want there's the picture cluster here that's with the sketch, and then the smaller cluster up here. But I kind of want to do a little bit more work on my background. So I think for that, alright, yeah, okay, I will. I think I'll just have the one. Now, my picture is, you know, bigger than what is portrayed. Unless I cut it down. Let me see here. Actually, I think I will cut it down. There. I think I'm going to just work with that. There we go. Anyhow, I have a mix. There we go. I have this mix I made during the International Scrapbooking Day challenges. And if you've already seen it, it is this layout that I did, and it's this texture paste on here, and this was a coincidence that this also fits the sketch challenge. Maybe it was in my subconscious and then I turned it, I don't know, but it fit the sketch challenge. Maybe I had other things in my subconscious. Sometimes I don't know where things come from, but this texture paste is what I have in here, and so I'm going to use there we go. I'm going to use this Prima stencil, and this has come in a past Tres Jolie kit, so I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use this texture paste, and let me see if I can't run down real quick what's mixed in here. If you want to see the mixing process, it is in the video for that other layout I just showed you, because it has modeling paste, it has this Caribbean teal paint that came in this month's mixed media kit in there. It has a couple of Lindy's Gain magical shakers. It has some 13 Arts magic powder. It has some concentrated watercolors, and it has some watermelon blast acrylic paint. It was a lot of different mediums and colors going in to get this just right. So I'm just gonna strategically, I'll call it strategically, but pretend I know what I'm doing. Put some on in the areas that I will be working at. The texture paste is dry, and I think for my next, what I'm going to do to it, this is what I had planned, is going to be lining the, oh, there it is, lining the stencil up where I can, and I'm going to use some of this paint. This is the Golden Glaze. It came in the May mixed media kit, and I think I do need to thicken it up just a little. But I don't necessarily want to take away. So I'm gonna mix in a little bit of this 13 Arts magic powder that I've had since the June 18 mixed media kit, but I have a little bit left. I used quite a bit up over the National Scrapbooking Day challenges, but alright, I'm going to leave just that for now. You can see I only have it in a few areas, and then I'll let it dry, and I'll see how See how it starts to look with layering and stuff. Alright, I am just going to do some practice placement. I'm not going to glue anything down yet. I'm going to just start placing it, see what I have. I popped out the chipboard pieces that had come with the kit. I have some of the paper here. I have others here. I don't know what ones may or may not make it onto here, or what parts may or may not make it onto here. We'll see. But that's where things stand right now. And I'm going to see what I can arrange with what I have. Alright, I am done. This is just going to be left alone so that that glue can dry. And everything is in place. So, I hope this gave you an idea of what can be done with the scrapbooking kit, with the sketch. This was a rather simple layout, only a little bit of some mixed media on there, and the rest of it was just gluing what was already there. So thank you for joining us here at Tres Jolie, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date when new videos are posted by me, by other design team members. And I will see you again soon.